So a jury decided that a Washington State Patrol is not liable for the death of a protester killed in 2020 in I-5. Yeah. A jury had decided the Washington State Patrol is not liable for the death of Summer Taylor, a protester who was struck and killed by a car on Interstate 5 in 2020.
The jury found that only one person bears responsibility for what happened on the highway that night, and it is the driver who illegally went up an exit ramp and then went through that crowd of protesters. This has been a tough case for the family of Summer Taylor, and they say while they're disappointed with the verdict, they are grateful about the jury's finding of liability for Summer Taylor and their actions that night.
Was defendant state of Washington negligent? Answer no.
With that, the case against the Washington State Patrol effectively ended, a jury finding troopers were not negligent for the death of Summer Taylor. Your reaction there to the verdict?
It sucked.
Attorney Karen Kohler represented Taylor's family.
We aren't going to second guess a jury, but I'm not proud of them.
Kohler argued in the 2-week civil trial that the State Patrol should have stationed someone here at the Stewart Street off-ramp to prevent driver Dawid Khalid from going up the wrong way, then flipping around and driving through the crowd of protesters, killing Taylor.
I prefer not to say anything.
In the civil trial, the state argued Khalid and the protesters who were standing on the freeway were the only ones negligent.
It's never safe for pedestrians to be on the highway.
The jury's verdict puts the blame solely on Khalid, also ruling that Taylor was not negligent for participating in the freeway protest.
That was a legacy verdict. That is a reminder to everybody that protested that you did so with honor, on the right side of the law, even if it was against how the law normally is. But we still feel that the state really blew it. Jury didn't, and we accept the jury's verdict always.
Now, the verdict found that Khalid owes Taylor's family $6 million. As for him, well, he pleaded guilty to vehicular homicide last year, and he is now serving a 6.5-year prison sentence. The State Patrol's investigation found no evidence that he intentionally targeted the Black Lives Matter protest. Instead, he told troopers he was trying to get home from work when he drove up the wrong way onto the freeway. Reporting live downtown, Jeremy Harris.